Heyo, and welcome to the Rite of Passage channel. Today, we're going to talk about one simple habit that will 10x your fat loss. I'm Dezmond Broadway, and my mission is to help you dress your best and grow into the best version of yourself. That way, you can live a life led without regret. All right, let's get into it. So what's that one simple habit that will help you 10x your fat loss? Well, it's simple. Other than a calorie deficit, which is still the most important part to losing fat, you need to find an activity that you absolutely love. You need to be active every day in some way. That can be walking, running, lifting weights, anything where you're moving your body and you can keep that up consistently. Well, that's what you need to do. So I'm going to give you 3 suggestions for habits that you can keep up consistently that will help you stay active every day or every other day. Number 1 is dancing. I recommend dancing because it's something social and it doesn't feel like you're moving that much. Like obviously you're moving, but it doesn't feel like an active hobby because you're having so much fun doing it and you're busy learning the steps. It's something you can keep on doing every day consistently. And not only that, you'll eventually make friends there. And so you'll want to keep coming back because 1, you're having fun, and 2, there's people there you enjoy spending time with. And that's going to be the through line through all 3 of these active hobbies. Number 2 is climbing. Climbing is another hobby where you're actively moving. It's like a fun and active puzzle. And it's something that you can keep up almost every day eventually. At first, I recommend climbing 1 to 3 times a week. Once you're more familiar with climbing, that's something you can keep up every day. And number 3, I'd recommend CrossFit or some type of weightlifting. Probably a fitness class instead. So find a CrossFit gym, a gym that has fitness classes. And once again, there's people there where you can link up with. They'll bring you up, you bring them up, and when you're not there, they'll be like, hey, where's my friend? They'll hit you up and they'll bring you back with them. So it's almost like you just stack on top of each other like Tetris, and slowly but surely, you're losing weight because you're having fun while you're doing that active hobby. All right. If you found value in this video, leave a like and comment down below what you'd like to hear from me next. And remember, live a life led without regret. Take care.